Hello guys, it's Baby Bex Yoda here. We are going to be learning how to use Snap Camera today, and how, if you've been a bit scared to show your face in your online classes, which we completely get, this could be a fun way for you to kind of participate. It creates discussion, it will make people laugh. You can be anything, and obviously if you're going for an interview, you don't really want to go dressed as an alien, say.
That isn't going to work. You don't possibly want to go dressed as what's it. But I'm telling you now, if I can go to a meeting dressed virtually as a mushroom with my bosses, you can go into your lectures as a pineapple. Why not? It's a bit of fun. It will make online learning even more fun. Give it a shot.